site of the raw water intake structure at Lake Sakakawea. The weather enclosure has been taking off, allowing the contractor a little better access to the structure itself. Work to this point is centered around the installation of the concrete caisson for the pump house shaft. 98 feet of the 121-foot pump house caisson have now been placed, and the caisson is sunk to a depth of approximately 75 feet below grade. The rectangular shaped orange and red objects are barge floats. These will be assembled in the water to provide a working platform for installing the intake shaft in the lake.